I've genuinely never heard anything quite like this microphone for under $100. One of my most frequently asked questions outside of my gameplay is about my audio setup. When I first bought this setup I'm using right now, it was the best value per dollar by a landslide. But in total, I ended up spending roughly $500 US. Allegedly, this microphone from Fifine, the AM8, will give this one a run for its money, and the kicker is that it's like just barely over 1/10 of the total cost. As a disclaimer, Fifine did send this microphone out for my review, and I do get to keep it after the review. They are not compensating me in any other financial way, although I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description, which if you choose to use it by the end of this video, you will be able to kick back a little bit towards the channel, and I appreciate that. Fifine will not be hearing or seeing this video before it is posted, so I wanted to keep this as close to the highest level of integrity that I could as I recorded something that I've never done before. Now let's start off with comparing these two microphones directly. This is going to be a side-by-side comparison, and at random throughout this next little bit, my editor will be swapping between the two microphones, simply labeled microphone A and microphone B. And as I go through this, I would encourage you to come up with your predictions. Which one do you think is which microphone? Because I think that it's important that you get an idea of it yourself. I will also put a quick little disclaimer out there. For the AM8, I don't have an additional microphone arm, and I don't really have the way to easily remove this one and hold this one because this one is very sensitive to shock. But I'm finding in my little bit of testing I did, the AM8 is as well. So give it a little bit of grace on that. If you got a mount for like a arm on your computer desk or wherever you set up, I think it would go a lot better. Also, you can just hold the microphone without the stand, but this was just easier for me in the way that I'm setting up the recording. What I think you'll notice is that there is a very limited difference in audio quality between the two microphones. The audio is crisp, clear, and accentuates my voice very well on both mics. I did add EQ and a couple of other small kinds of filters to each microphone, but they're the exact same filters, and I only made small tweaks for this microphone so that they sounded almost identical, and it was completely free. Neither of these things cost me any money as far as putting filters on. I cannot recommend enough that if you do get a new microphone, regardless of what it is, put filters on your microphone, especially EQ, a noise gate, and a compressor. Those things will go a long way for you. All right, time for the results. The microphone A was the Fifine AM8. Microphone B was my original audio setup. How many of you actually got it right? Be honest with me in the comments, because if I'm being real with you, I'm kind of an audio nerd. I used to work in radio. Many of you don't maybe know that. And I could barely tell the difference. There was a difference. No one's going to pretend there wasn't a difference at all, but it was very, very, very subtle. For a noise rejection test, I wanted to first mount it to my normal microphone arm and play a game of Overwatch. The goal is to test this microphone in my normal use cases of playing video games. The gain volume will be there, but it'll be fairly low, just so you can hear the background noise through the microphone clearly. I won't be able to hear any of this until afterwards, so leave your thoughts below, and I'm sure that I will too. All right, let's bust open a quick play game. Well, we'll make sure to just play the game like we normally would. Okay, almost got him. Might be able to get him with a nade there. Nope. So far, I'm just actually terrible at this. Playing DPS is not my thing. We all know that. All right, let's just walk around. Let's get a different angle on this. This is not working. We're gonna grab the mini here, see what we can do in the back line. That'll at least cause some distraction. Dang, my whole team get mollywopped. Oh, ow, okay, all right. There we go. It's the other one. Ooh, that was kind of clean. Bro, why do you hate me so much? I don't want to be in here. I'm gonna get rocked. I'm dead. Yep, nice. Good job. Sigma play. Good job. Ooh, I'm getting rezzed. Oh, our Mercy's cooked, though. Time to leave. Okay. Might be able to get the... What the heck? I'm doing some good damage, but I don't think there's really much I can do here. Okay, all right. Oh, wait, we're actually goated. Wait, we're actually insane? Okay. DPS arc incoming. That's what you guys are hearing in this random microphone review. Well, maybe not with that kind of a grenade throw. Oh, we need to push that payload. I don't know why we're not. I'm 12-3, definitely carrying, but it's fine. Kobe. LeBron James. Oh, okay, now that'll be... Oh, I hit that second one. Wait. We gotta start saying LeBron, I guess. Can't hit a shot that far out. I think my ADS sensitivity is too low. We survive it. There's a Junkrat above. Okay, we forced them off the high ground. We're down to... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What was that about? We're definitely in quick play. I think it might be time to go, though. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's time to go. Time to leave. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna hide. We're gonna crouch so they don't know we're here. Surely they would never know. No, how could they know? Okay, there's a lot going on. Let's see if we can get up here. There we go. Oh! Is Mercy gonna try and res me? In the open? Oh, you're insane. Oh, you're nuts. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Uh-oh. We're blading with no supports. Uh-oh. Wait, we got a pick. Uh-oh, we got 2 picks. Wait. We're insane. Wait, we're nuts. Throw that in there. Be crazy if we hit that, yeah? Ouchie. All right, I feel it's important to note that this microphone did a terrible job of rejecting the keyboard noises, but I will also say that it's a USB microphone compared to my XLR setup. This keyboard is fairly loud, and it sits basically right underneath my other microphone. I did nothing different, so comparatively, there's a difference. And even with a noise gate on this, which should be negating a lot of that, it was still coming through quite a bit in that recording. So take that for what it's worth. I do still think that there's probably merit to really tweaking and fine-tuning the settings. I even noticed that my gain was really loud when I was in game. I can't hear myself back as well, and I'm kind of used to that from the radio world, so I thought I'd probably throw that in there just because I think it's important to this review. A couple of the things that I personally find very stand out are the capacitive mute and the RGB light that is built into the bottom of this microphone. The mute is capacitive, meaning all I have to do is tap right over here on top of the microphone. I'm obviously not going to do that because you won't be able to hear me, and you wouldn't be able to hear me anymore. It's great for those words you need to get out of your system, but you don't want anyone to hear you saying it. The RGB, while not strictly speaking essentially functional, is definitely an eye candy bit. For the price point you get, it's pretty cool. It is super clear. This is actually set to red in person. My camera's not doing it a lot of justice, but you can't see the individual diodes in there. I think that's amazing. The fact that it's so even and dispersed, I really like that look. I do have 2 criticisms for this microphone from Fifine. The first is these plastic screws you see on either side of the microphone that hold it to this particular stand. I'm sure this is primarily to cut costs a bit in a budget microphone, but unfortunately, if I were to put anything besides the USB cable that I used, like an XLR, because it does have that option, it would probably end up sagging quite a bit and moving the microphone up away from where you wanted it originally pointed. And I've seen a lot of people talk about that, so I think it's important that I mention it. The second is a lack of a shock mount, but that's standard with this microphone. If I do this, you can hear that. And if you set this on your desk, especially and you're typing, you will hear a lot of feedback. I do understand this is fairly nitpicky for a microphone that costs just $65 US. However, if you do mount this even to a microphone arm, you will get even more feedback than it would just being on the desk. Like I mentioned, that can come through typing, but the bigger thing that is added with a microphone arm is that you're constantly bumping the arm depending on where you put it on your desk, and that's a big deal. That said, for $65, this microphone is my new recommendation to anybody who is looking to get a new microphone. If you look in the description, like I mentioned earlier, there will be an Amazon affiliate link where you can check out if you decide you want to purchase it. It does give me a small kickback, so I appreciate you using that if you do. A huge thank you to Fifine for sending this microphone out. I hope to work together again in the future. There's another microphone they have that we're talking about because I think it may actually be my bigger recommendation if you have an extra 20 to 30 bucks. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do with this microphone in the comments below. And until next time, this is Gaming for Hope, and I'm signing off.